How to make money on Fiverr. So make your first $1 today. So I'm here to talk about this, in a brief way, that how can we make money through Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform of online earning. So I will tell you the more about the Fiverr. Fiverr, as we know, that it's a marketplace where you can sell out your skills, what you have, and you can earn more money through your skills. There is so many sellers there. They are providing you services, they are taking services, so you can do both the things together on Fiverr platform. So I am going to show you how to make money on Fiverr step by step. If you did not know, Fiverr is a marketplace where anyone can sign up and sell service from $5. So minimum is, your service charges is $5, not more than $5, not less than $5 you can earn from a Fiverr platform. This is only one price for one order. You can make many orders, then you can do many orders in months. There is no limited criteria to do order on Fiverr. So here is you have which are the famous, we can say, skills persons. You can easily do skills to earn and make money. First one is a logo design. You can have so many courses available on internet. You can make logo design. You can provide as a logo designer, graphic designer, so many others, transcript, video creation, backlinks, social signals. So there are many persons who want to transcript their stories. So it's a script writer there. But these are a few, you can say, skills you can sell out on a Fiverr platform. You can even get a video of your name in shells on a bridge, or hold your sign while skydiving. If you have a browse through the available Fiverr gigs, you will see how varied they are. They are really a gig for everyone, but there are 36x for gigs idea. If you get stuck, you can click on this website as well. But the best bit is anyone can learn how to make money only by signing up to Fiverr as a seller, as they start selling their services. This is exactly what S Johnson did, earning 1064, we can say $644 in 30 days. You are about to learn exact process he used to make money on Fiverr. So I'm here to tell you what is Fiverr. As we know, Fiverr is a leading marketplace for services starting at just $5. Lots of people buying and sell their services and also products every day through Fiverr. The available services range from business promotion, social networking, and advertisement to funny videos, graphic design, and translation, to mention just a few. These offered services are called gigs on Fiverr. You can find almost anything you need to people from all over the world. Visit the site to offer their services and expertise. So this is all about today's my lecture. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in my comment box. In comments box below, I will tell you more about this my gigs and services. Thank you very much.